Hi Joey, it's Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I wanted to make you this really quick video just to kind of show you what the top guy in Savannah is doing and what it would take to beat him out. So if we come over here to Google and we just search Chimney Sweep Savannah, we see the map pack people here, and right below that is the organic section. We see Soup Master is a bigger company and they're just ranking their Savannah page. A main ranking factor here in this organic section is going to be through backlinking, and all a backlink is just when you link one website to another website. Um, to keep it simple, they kind of push power to each other. So we'll plug these guys into my tool so you can see what their site's looking like. So here we see their metrics. This is the power and strength of their site. Ideally, these are going to be double digits and pretty close to each other. So 11 and 24 is good, 24 and 24 is good. An example of poor metrics would be like 24 and 2. We see that they have, they're being found for 32 keywords here on this back page. This is not for the entire site. So on their Savannah page, it's 32 keywords. They got about 14 websites linking to them, giving them about 20 backlinks. When we plug you in, we see that it looks like you may have a newer site. You don't really have too much going on with power and trust. You do have some backlinks though, so that's good. And you are being found for 4 keywords. We can see where you're sitting for those. Chimney Sweep Statesboro, Georgia, that has about 20 searches a month on average, and it shows you are in the 8th position of Google for that. In the organic section, I did see that you were #1 in the map pack, so good job with that. Then we have a few keywords for Savannah. We see there's about 70 searches for chimney repair Savannah GA, 40 searches for chimney inspection Savannah GA, and about 100 searches for chimney sweep Savannah GA. We see you're sitting in the 43rd, 43rd and 54th position for these keywords. So about the maybe 5th to 6th page for these. So let's jump over to your competitor to see if there's any more keywords available. So Savannah, Georgia. So if you take the GA off, there's another 100 searches for chimney sweep Savannah. Chimney repair 70, fireplace repair 60, gas fireplace repair. I don't know if you do that, but there's 50 for that. So there's actually a pretty good amount of searches here in Savannah. And also looking here at this map pack area, there was only 1 page. So that's really, really good for you. Be a fairly simple rank to get up to these top 3 spots. So touching back to backlinks, just to kind of beat out this guy, we don't want to just get 20. We want to get maybe 100 backlinks. That would be good because we would pass him up completely. And with backlinking, you don't want just any link. You want to get relevant links to your industry. So, getting a backlink from the food industry is not going to be very helpful. You'd want to get other chimney sweep websites or something similar to link to. So coming over here, content is another main factor. Google really likes to see content on the website. When we scan your site, we see there's very little content, and I'm just talking about all the words here. So we'd want to get lots of content on this homepage, and then I would build out individual pages, probably combine the scan with the inspection. So do an inspection page, a repair page, and a cleaning page. These guys also offer installation. I don't know if you are interested in doing that, but that could be an option as well. Yeah, so just get the website built out, get it fully optimized, and make it a little bit more aesthetically appealing. And then for the map pack, it's only 1 page, so it shouldn't be too tough as long as we get the GMB, that is Google My Business, completely filled out, get some photos on there, get the photos optimized, and then go out and grab some citations, which is just a business name, address, and phone number in different directories throughout the internet. So the more citations you have, the better, and that will help you rank. So that's what we would do for you. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you a really quick rundown to kind of help explain how this stuff works, kind of show you where you're sitting, where your competitors are sitting. I'm going to give you a call shortly, and we can discuss moving forward or getting a proposal together for you. All right, thanks, Joey. I'll talk to you soon.